Hi guys, welcome back to another video by Daniel and John. This is a little how-to video on how to remove the batteries in a Mercedes key fob. This particular key fob is for a Vito van. It's a slightly older design. Important to note, the back doesn't come off, so we'll show you the little intricacies on how you change the battery in the hidden key. Over to you, John.
Well, I'd just like to add to that, our van is a 2009 CDI 111 model 639. That might be helpful to people. Now on the top of the key there's like this little slidey grooved switch, and you pull that back and out pops this hidden key. You can use this to unlock the driver's door as well, which is quite handy. And then what you need to do in there, if you can see it, there's like a little catch. You need to push that key down .
So you use the key to push the little catch down that then releases the top half of the key fob.
Right, it's coming now.
So you want to show that because you can see the...
There. So when I was pressing with the key into there, I was trying to release this little catch there.
Yes, it's
Be careful
spring-loaded.
with it, yeah, be careful with it. And then you pull that out and you're left really showing two batteries. Those batteries are CR2025 and they're 3 volt. You can get them from Amazon,
Supermarket, places like that.
Yeah, they're at the moment £4 for 4
of the Energizer ones.
Energizer
Slightly
ones,
better, yeah.
So we go for them, and you just need to lift this and slide your new batteries in.
Be very careful taking the batteries out though.
I'd say it's not an easy thing to undo these if you've got big fingers, basically fat fingers. And it's even going to be worse if it's an old van because they're dirty. So before you take it apart, just give it a clean up with some silicone spray, WD-40, just to clean it and loosen things off. You find that a lot easier. And then assembly is basically popping it back in there. You can see that the solid part of the lid, there's a solid part there, and just press it in, and then your key just slots back in, you click, and that's really it. So I hope this is helpful, and if you're searching for the key where the top comes off, or you're trying to work out how it works, we hope you found this helpful and informative. If you'd like to subscribe, we'd appreciate it. It does help us along a bit, and we're going to do a few more Vito videos as well, I think. Thanks for watching.